Hello my monarchs, in this week's video I got another PolyGel nail kit tutorial. Let's file down our nails. Always dust off any residue from filing, of course. I'm using this primer the kit came with, applying that to all of my nails. Alright, now that that's good, I'm going to be using my base coat in all my nails and curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. I'm using this jade color from the kit, and this is how it looks like. I got my slip solution in my damp dish. I like to start off by applying slip solution onto my dough forms so the polygel goes in smoother. Now for the polygel. As you can see, it started to create a bubble, so I just stopped it from there from creating it even bigger. Go in with a good amount. You can always start with a small amount and work your way from there. Once done, place on nail, cure that for 120 seconds, and always cure the back of the nail. To remove, just twist left and right and the dual form will come right off. Let's continue on with the rest of the nails. I will be doing the same process to every nail. So I sort of messed up on the dual forms and didn't realize till I was placing it onto my nail. But yeah, let's continue on. Let's go ahead and file them down. My middle finger has a bubble, but it's okay because I'm going to be covering it up. Remember to dust off all the residue from filing. We are going to be applying the top coat to all the nails, curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. I know it's still May, but I know that June is right around the corner and it's Pride Month, and I wanted to do a little something. I know I'm a little ahead on what I wanted to do, so I'm going to be using these colors to create flowers onto my nails. I'm using one of these dotting tools to create the petals. Let's go ahead and start growing these beautiful flowers. These are the nails, but it's missing something important: rhinestones. I like using the top coat as glue when applying rhinestones, and I'm also applying the stones in the center of every nail. These are the final results for this set. Applying some cuticle oil. Voila, we got our nails done. Let me know in the comments below what you all think of this set. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for next week's video. Love you guys, take care and stay safe. Bye!